Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can pin or unpin message on Messenger. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can open up your Messenger. You can open up the Messenger from your Facebook application. If you don't have a Messenger app installed on your mobile phone, you just need to go to Facebook and then you can click on this icon to open the Messenger like this, or you can immediately open up your Messenger app on your mobile phone if you have installed the Messenger. And here I have installed Messenger guys, so I'm going to open up the Messenger right here. Okay, and then I'm going to pin message in my group chat on Messenger. I'm going to open up this group chat and then I'm going to show you how we can pin message or pin a media on our group chat. As you can see, I have pinned this message and I'm going to show you how we can pin another message. For example, I'm going to pin this message. If you want to pin, we can tap and hold on the message. We want to pin like this until this option appear on our screen, and we can simply tap on pin. Okay, and now this message has been pinned as well. And then I'm going to show you how we can pin picture or image or maybe video in our group chat, because the step will be a little different. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how we can pin this image. If you want to pin image, you can tap and hold on the image. Oops. You can tap and hold on the image like this until those options appear. And then you can go to the more option to pin a picture. Okay, select pin. And now this picture has been pinned in this group chat. And if you want to view all of the pinned messages in this group chat, you can click on see all right here. And these are the pinned messages in my group chat. Okay. And you can also click on your group chat's name and then you can scroll down and then you can view the pinned messages right here. Okay. That's easy, right? And I'm just going to go back. And okay guys, that's all the way to pin or unpin message on Messenger. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.